Want this? In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can make these smooth zooms inside After Effects. Get your clips ready. Now select your clip. Go to Effect and Presets panel and search for S Blur Mo Curves. Drag and drop the effect to your clip. Copy my settings. Copy my graph. Select the keyframes and copy the effect. Paste the effect to your next clips. Repeat the process. And it's done. Make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.